Alright, let's talk about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro because today's update is a big one. Thanks to Jasper Ellens and his sources, we now have confirmed details on the release date, key features, and official pricing. Mark your calendars, April 24, 2025, that's when the Mavic 4 Pro officially hits the market. But if you're eager for a sneak peek, the official teaser drops a week earlier on April 17th. Now, let's dive into the details. One of the biggest confirmations is the focal lengths, 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm. If you were hoping for 20mm or 24mm, that's not happening. The 28mm focal length means a slightly tighter field of view compared to ultra-wide options. So, if you love those dramatic, immersive shots, this might feel a little restrictive. A 20mm lens gives that super-wide, cinematic feel, while 24mm strikes a nice balance with minimal distortion, making it great for landscapes, architecture, and general-purpose shooting. But with the Mavic 4 Pro, 28mm is the new standard. Now, let's clear up something a lot of people have been asking about: ND filters. Unlike previous models, the Mavic 4 Pro does not have a slot for physical ND filters. Instead, DJI is introducing an electronic ND filter system. This makes things more convenient since you won't have to swap out filters manually, but if you're someone who swears by physical ND filters for achieving the best image quality, especially in tricky lighting conditions, this might be a bit of a letdown. Electronic ND filters can help control exposure, but they don't always provide the same level of precision and image consistency as physical ones. Moving on to recording capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro can shoot up to 6K resolution. That's a significant step up, offering more detail and flexibility in post-production. Another major upgrade is the sensor size, which is larger than the one in the Mavic 3. While we don't have exact specifications yet, a larger sensor typically means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner footage overall. More light hitting the sensor results in less noise, richer colors, and greater flexibility when editing. If you're into professional filmmaking or high-quality aerial photography, this is a big deal. Now, let's talk about flight performance and features because the Mavic 4 Pro is bringing some serious upgrades. First, it offers 360 degrees multi-directional movement, giving you full control and smooth maneuverability in any direction. Whether you're capturing cinematic shots or navigating complex environments, this feature ensures maximum flexibility. Next, battery life, and this is a big one. The Mavic 4 Pro boasts an impressive 52 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's a significant improvement over previous models, allowing for longer shoots without constant battery swaps. And speaking of charging, DJI has optimized the charging system, so 3 intelligent flight batteries can fully charge in just 90 minutes. That means less downtime and more time in the air, which is a huge win for professionals and hobbyists alike. Now, let's move on to the controller. DJI is stepping up its game with the introduction of the DJI RC Pro 2. This new controller comes with a 7-inch tilting touchscreen, offering a larger and more responsive display for better visibility and control. Whether you're monitoring your shots, adjusting settings, or navigating through DJI's interface, the upgraded controller enhances the overall flying experience.